Yeah, you did. Okay. Could it, and I will, but I would like to have guided tour first rather so that you can talk about it in the way that you like to talk about it.
So this is the app as of now. We have named it PMOB, and as of now there is one course available in this application, the Epic course. So we have four functionalities over here: courses, scan, my profile, and help. So I'll just navigate through the application, and then I'll explain you the functionalities.
Okay.
So these are the levels available in this Epic course. As of now, there are 3 levels. So on clicking a level, I'll be navigated to the screen. This is the list of units available on the screen. If I click on it, I'll be tracked over here, and then actually this cloud icon is for downloading any particular lesson.
Sure.
So the lesson 1, ask about prices, I've already downloaded it. I'm just opening. So conversation, listening, and vocabulary. There are 3 things under every level. I mean, under every lesson.
These will be actually activities. So
Okay, so wait, you were 3 levels and
course level.
Yeah, courses Epic, and unit, and now you
activity.
The lesson
and then activity.
4 screens will be there. So this is the activity detail page. Like we can, I'm just explaining you this. And if I click on some answer, I can check answers over here. And I mean, the activity is not yet completed, so I'm going to the next page.
These are basically Avalanche packages. Right now we have not used TinCan. So in future we're planning to use TinCan so that we can track the scores properly. Right now we have only placed the activities. We are not calculating the scores of the user.
Okay.
So that is in future plan.
Okay.
Result calculation will be to complete.
Yes.
Currently they get calculated and the user can able to access the course. They can able to take it. How you track once he completed, again he can able to.
Yes, he can take it multiple times. But right now we don't. The user can play it multiple times. But right now we have not added the scoring calculation.
Okay, and one more thing, these packages are done by the Postman team. This in the part. So after the scores are calculated, we'll be showing this in the page. In this page,
actually, in the list itself, each score to the particular activity. In this activity, the user has scored this much. In the next activity, it will be displayed in the side.
Okay.
Each course will be displayed in the side.
Unit wise, to complete.
Yes.
We are now on the
working on this.
Yes.
Actually, currently they completed the
showing packages.
Yes. So showing all the course and the level everything. The user can able to take it, but the course, the score calculation, the result calculation need to complete. Currently they are doing.
Yeah. From the package, they will show the results. So we need to show that the scores inside the activity, that menu page.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there some reason why you're picking TinCan, doing this implementation? You just selected it as the best option?
TinCan has also be used by some other teams over Chennai. Like
no, we are just looking for. We have some other packages also. So which is the best way? We are just looking for it.
We even tried Reader Plus.
Yeah.
You heard of that? Reader Plus.
Yes.
So
you have tried
trial and error, but after that we selected this one.
Actually, the package we are getting is with TinCan and without TinCan. They are giving us with 2 options. We can use it as with or without. But for score calculation, it's only possible by using with TinCan packages.
Okay.
And also for getting all the activities, what the user is performing inside the app, we can track it using it. So we are having that package.
Okay.
Yeah, we are just giving it try. Fetch the scores from that package.
Sure. Okay.
The score calculation everything done in the TinCan API, or you are calculating and sending data?
No, you only the TinCan
from the
is
API we have to
handling
fetch it.
Yeah.
It's already done in the API. That is
in that package, we are getting already with the TinCan, including the TinCan, we are getting the package.
Just to show that next to that.
The particular lesson has the 5 activities. Okay,
Yes.
I answer 3 questions correctly, 2 wrongly. Okay, if you send the detail to TinCan,
Yes, it will already be calculated and kept inside the packets. Right now,
We'll get
we
the
don't
scores
have
in
a way.
the packets, but we have to get that and place that in the
In our
activity.
the calculation already available in the
Package.
Yeah.
package itself. Okay,
So
But we
once
don't have a way to fetch it in our app. So that is what we are doing now.
just I finish it. The calculation completed.
Yes.
At the time of completing the quiz,
Yeah.
I will have the
Yes.
score. Okay, the particular score will be sent to the TinCan API, right? Or it automatically sent
That's what.
to.
We are working on it. Actually, we got the TinCan packages. It will be automatically calculating, and it will just show us the result that this much question is answered in, and this is correct and this is wrong. The only work we have to do is we have to get we need to track what are the details we get from the TinCan package.
Just the
We won't
interaction
send
with them.
or any API calls or that. Just you have to get the scores and display it. That's all.
Okay. The course everything you are listing out, right?
Yes.
Those details are coming via TinCan.
TinCan.
Okay.
No. The course lesson 1, lesson 2,
Lesson 2.
those are coming from a JSON, from
Yes.
the PF dashboard.
Dashboard server.
That inside the lesson, the content is there, right? The activities and the HTML page which we are seeing now. Right now, it's from the package, TinCan package.
Okay.
So these activities are only packets.
So
These details are from
We are
Package.
getting
These
from
are
the
inside the packet, the
Avalanche
TinCan Avalanche packages. So come press back. So these details, right? Unit, how many lessons inside each unit, how many activities inside each lesson. Those activities are coming from the PF dashboard server.
JSON.
Yes. We'll get the JSON from the server, and depending on the JSON, we'll list out the units.
Okay.
So this is the one related to the first courses tab of the application. Next we have
each and every time when the user opens the app, so we'll be fetching the latest JSON from the server. According to the JSON file, we'll be showing that list of activities and lessons.
Okay.
So the activities will be of type. It will be in packets. Also, it will be an audio and video also. You can show the
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I started on courses.
Yeah.
Mid of the course, I just exit. After I came again,
Yeah.
it will continue the where I stopped.
You mean the activity?
Yeah, activity. Where I stopped.
We'll actually, right now we have not handled the scenarios.
Yes.
What we'll do is actually when the user press back in the middle of an activity, we'll just display a pop-up saying all your progress will be lost if you exit. Not exit in the middle, then his progress will be
So
lost.
currently we are not tracking the status.
Yes.
And we are not storing anything.
We are not
The
storing.
directives.
Yeah.
Okay. But still can we are storing the score everything in the database.
No, that we are looking
That
on
we
it
are
actually.
working on it.
Still looking.
No,
You're
just now we have
How
taken-
how it's working?
Yes.
Yes.
Exploring that.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are exploring.
Actually, this project Postman, they built some basic functionalities, all the things. Now it's come to the CAD team. They are currently exploring and doing the changes, revamping all the things.
No, we are building the app from the
Scratch.
scratch.
Okay.
The
Packets
content,
alone, backend contents alone.
Only packets.
there is a content team in Postnet. They are providing the packages alone.
Okay, and this is all through Pearson English Framework.
Yes.
Okay, and so the progress and results remains to be solved.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
so this is just the video player of the application.
Hello.
Hi, David.
Yeah, sorry, I had a discussion with the product manager, so I didn't notice the messages. So sorry about that. So, but I'm already here.
Okay.
Okay, so Joe is here.
So, yeah, Joe is here and Raja, oh, hello David.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Hi, David.
Good to see you too. Yeah.
So we're getting a very quick overview of work done so far. I'm sure that we'll have things to talk about in the future, but not now. Now we're just gathering some information.
Sure. Yeah, I'm already in touch with Paweł Walewski in terms of the Google Analytics areas that we want to gather. So, but I have, well, it was only last week that I shared a document in which I presented some potential information that we could gather, that I would suggest we should gather I did that on Friday, but I haven't received any feedback from Irene or anyone else yet. So I'm still waiting for that. And so, of course, I'm talking about analytics now. Yeah. But,
Okay. Yes. Well, to be in contact with Pavel is perfect, and I will keep communicating with him. Because of my travel here, I haven't been responsive to any email that I've gotten, and I apologize for that. So I will keep in contact with Pavel, but I would welcome any questions or communication from you, and just let me know if there's anything we can do as far as, I've talked to Irene separately about analytics needs, and she's hoping that we can provide some help. And so we'll just see how we can help each other.
thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.
So let's see. Go on.
You want to turn it back to the, maybe the,
Yeah.
kind of see, I don't know if he's able to, if he'll be able to see, but.
You can share the screen.
Yes. So okay. So that was all regarding the courses tab of our application. Next, we'll go on to the scan tab. The scanning feature is like we have generated QR codes based on the activity for every application. Right? So depending on the QR code's content, we'll be navigating to the particular activity. Okay. So what I have done here is I have just created a sample QR code for the activity 1 of our application.
Okay.
Lesson 1, unit 1, skill 1, and activity 1. Mm-hmm. On scanning of this QR code, I'll just be directed to that particular activity.
Excellent.
So suppose if the user has not downloaded that particular activity, we'll be showing a pop-up that you have not downloaded this activity, and we can download it.
Okay.
And this is the My Profile page. As of now, we have not created any login credentials or something like that. So just we are displaying static page, displaying the contents over here. And next to the help tab, based on how you open an activity, how do you unlock a course, and how can I access my course on multiple devices. Okay. So this is what we have developed as of now. And there are a lot more in the backlog. We are working on things.
Wow. It seems like a very energetic and smart team, first of all. So I look forward to what happens. What are your major deadlines that you have? I mean, what do you expect to deliver when?
Actually, we have had 2 demos as of now with the stakeholders, I guess. I guess David will be the correct person.
David, could you please help with Joe's question on the deadline?
Sure, yeah, of course. So the most critical deadline was the 15th of September, where we submitted the working model that can be now taken by the representatives to different geos so that they can gather feedback. So this deadline was met because I presented the working model on Friday, and everyone was satisfied with what they saw. And this included all the functionality that we actually needed. And now the next deadline is initially January 2018, where we are supposed to deliver a full product, which is going to contain the Gold XP. The Gold XP product. This is created by Imogen Wiley. But, well, I believe that we can do that. We can prepare the app for this deadline, but I have doubts related to content. Because the content that you can see has been reverse engineered by 2 front-end developers here in Poznan.
Okay.
Is that we're playing in the Avaline packages that are not responsive. What I did was I found 2 front-end developers in another project who simply replaced these CSS files so that they look good on the device. So this was just for the working model. This is not the path that we can go down in the future. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm analyzing different possibilities how to create content for the app. If I find them by November, we are able to prepare the app for January. But if I fail to do that, or if I do not manage to convince Avaline to prepare mobile design packs for us, this is impossible. So the next deadline is May 2018, where we are supposed to deliver the first level of the EPIC product. So this is either it's going to be January where we deliver Gold XP, or May where we deliver the first level of the EPIC product. So these are the two deadlines, and then we have September 2018 where we provide more content for the EPIC.
Okay. Okay. Great. Well, I wish you luck with solving the content problem. Because we have a lot of those in Pearson. So I look forward to hearing about that. I will just say to you and to the whole team, we did some demonstrations of analytics capabilities in London and in New York. And when I was in New York, Irene Frankel was there, the main, I guess, person on the portfolio level who's handling this product. She is very excited about it and very energetic. She's very concerned about or wants to have excellent analytics built into this product from the ground up. Okay, so I want to say that our team, the fact that it's a hybrid app is interesting. You know, we can, it would make it easier for us to instrument it to bring some great analytics according to what Irene wants. Okay, that we can use our Tracker SDK either as it is today or soon to be mobile version, and then the whole capabilities of our data ecosystem. So you still have to solve the problem about how to track that learner did this activity and that activity. Whatever you do is fine, but we have that our Tracker SDK that can send certain events to us for bigger analytics capabilities. So just David, I suggest that you just keep in mind that we are available. Our data ecosystem is available, and we have to make sure that we don't try to create some analytics capability separately. You know, we've already done all this work, so let's just figure out how to connect our two teams for the purposes of analytics, not necessarily just for reporting, simple reporting about progress through the course, but there will be lots of analytics needs that you'll want to expand on. So just let's make sure that we get things set up properly between our teams. Okay.
Yes. I spoke to Pavel last week, and he actually suggested we should start putting the analytics as soon as possible, so that we go in line together, right? Well, I asked Gerald Smith to contact you regarding a call. So I'll just ask Gerald to do it again, so that I'm sure that he writes an email to you and we can have a call and then decide how to do that precisely, how to do that in detail, right?
No, that's perfect, and we've been kind of missing each other a lot so far. So I'm so happy to see the progress so far and meet the team, and this is a great next step. We will talk with Gerald and with you, and just keep working with Pavel, and I'll make sure that I keep understanding from Pavel what you've talked about. So.
Okay, all right, very good.
Good, thank you. We need to go, but I wanted to say thank you for taking time out of your day. It's good to meet you. Okay, good, thank you. So long.
Thank you.
Thank you, David.
Thank you. See you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.